5 ways to make a digital footprint. There are certain questions which you're required to ask to yourself whether you are leaving your presence online. When you are on the web, everywhere you go, everything you post, everything about you, everything others post about you leaves a trail. We are very much aware about this. So whenever you are surfing, blogging, tweeting, texting, we are leaving behind the trail of ourselves on the digital services. So we have to think first, is what I'm posting true? We have to find out the source of the information from where it is coming. If according to us it is true, it is better to post it, or else just leave the post as it is. Is it helpful? Means if there is certain idea that might help certain other person in order to do an activity, then from my side I must be sharing that particular activity so that the activity will be helpful. Is it inspiring? That means somebody is just giving a speech regarding the inspiration or how to motivate other persons, and if I think the speech is very inspiring, it's better to share certain or such activities online with other person. Fourth, is it necessary? Now, sharing, is it necessary that will this make the world a better place with the help of my sharing, the things that I'm sharing on the digital services such as Instagram, Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest? Will this particular sharing make the world a better place? If yes, then it's better to post certain things. Is it kind? The most important thing is that whatever things we are doing, the words must be very carefully chosen. So whatever things we are posting, we have to be very kind. Remember, your footprints, there is a person behind every computer and every smartphone. So whatever things we are doing, we are leaving our footprints on the internet. The last thing is, before you post certain thing, we have to think about it. Now over here, the full form of think is T stands for, is it true? H stands for, is it helpful? I stands for, is it inspiring? N stands for, is it necessary to share such activities or such posts with others? And the last and the most important thing, is it kind? If all the things to you, if all the questions to this particular thing is true, then yes, it is better to share such activities.